everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy you decide to quilt with me today. Guess what? We are doing a block of the month called Primrose, and today we are gonna learn how to make block 8 for our month 6 in our block of the month. Are you excited? I am. Because guess what? This block is one of my favorite blocks. It's a cute little sawtooth star. It's right here in the quilt. Notice it. It's glowing right there with those beautiful 8 little points made from half square triangles. We're gonna make 16 of the blocks to go all the way around the quilt. Are you excited? Me too. If you're just joining us in, we are working on a block of the month program. You can go ahead and go to our website and get a kit and join us anytime you would like to. Also, we have a pre-cut kits as well as regular kits. Just visit our website at Laundry Basket Quilts. Do not forget your pattern for this beautiful project. You're gonna want the directions so you know where everything goes, how to cut your pieces if you're using the regular kit. If you're using the pre-cut kit, it's really nice to have the pattern for the instructions, how to make the blocks, how to put the blocks together. For everybody that is joining us as a block of the month subscription, right now you should be receiving your blocks, and they're so cute. They're gonna come in 2 little packages. If you have the pre-cut ones, if you're using the regular ones, they're just gonna come in 1 package, all your fabrics, and you're gonna follow the directions that you get in the pattern and cut it. I have my pattern in front of me, and I'm super excited to show you how to make this block. For now, I'm just gonna show you one. Remember, you're gonna repeat everything 16 times because you're gonna be making 16 of the blocks. You're gonna need for 1 block, 1 center square, and it's a beautiful, beautiful green. Now you're gonna need half square triangles for your points, and they're gonna go all the way around the center. Then you're gonna need a quarter square triangles from dark, beautiful big print. They're gonna go right here. We're gonna make a little flying geese units, and you're gonna need a corner square for all 4 corners. I just laid up a bit of the blocks to show you because I am ready and excited to go ahead and start making the block with you. And we're gonna start by making 4 flying geese units for 1 star. I start by taking my quarter square triangle, placing my light triangle right over, just like this. I'm gonna stitch right here, finish it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and push my seam allowance towards the dark. I have one already sewn up for you guys, so look at it. This is stitch. I'm gonna open it up and push my seam allowance towards the dark right here. Isn't that nice? Now I'm gonna go ahead, take the half square triangle in light, place it right over. Remember, match this corner right here, this point, really nice. And you're gonna go ahead, start stitching from this point straight out. And this time I'm gonna push my seam allowance towards the light triangle. Isn't that cute? Why am I doing this? Because after I trim my bunny ears, I'm planning to use my beautiful flying geese ruler from Block Lock and trim my blocks to perfection. So you can go ahead, get one of those flying geese rulers. They're on our website, and trim your block. And I like that this seam pushed this way because I can lock my ruler right on that seam. As soon as you trim, you're gonna go ahead and make 3 more of those beautiful flying geeses, because guess what? Now you're gonna go ahead and lay the center, put the flying geeses on each side. You need one on the top, one on the bottom, add the little squares on each side, and 2 little squares also on the top. Isn't that sweet? The next step after this is trim, I'm gonna go ahead, place my square right over, stitch, flip it open, stitch, flip it open, then flying geeses, I'm gonna place them right over the center, beautifully stitch, flip it open, seam allowance in the middle are going towards the center. Seam allowances on the outside flying geeses, they're gonna go towards the outside low squares. I already did this right here. Look at it. It's beautiful. It trimmed and everything is done. Then the next thing, I'm gonna place this right sides together. The seams are gonna look wonderful for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a beautiful, beautiful block. Look at this. Isn't that nice? So as soon as you finish your block, you're gonna go ahead and press, and I press my seams, the remaining two seams, top and the bottom one, towards the center to pop that little square in the middle. Now once you finish your block, you're gonna go ahead, place your ruler over, and make sure it's 6.5 by 6.5, and then just keep going, and the chain sewing speed things up. So keep going, because you need 13 more blocks for a total of I'm so sorry, you need 15 more blocks for a total of 16 blocks altogether. 16 blocks altogether. And all this information is also in your pattern. So if I made a mistake, I apologize. But right there, 16 blocks total, block 8 for your beautiful, beautiful quilt. And this block, like I said, later on, we're gonna place it right here into the quilt. Can you imagine? We only have 3 months left, and we are gonna be putting our quilt together to this beautiful, beautiful project. I am so excited for you. So I hope you enjoy our Sew to Star, and you're enjoying our Primrose block of the month. Please make sure you give us thumbs up on our videos. Also share our videos with your friends, because this block of the month is so much fun. You wanted to share it with a friend. And remember, go visit our website at Laundry Basket Quilts for anything that you need. We very much appreciate you guys, and we're looking forward to many other blocks of the month with you. Happy quilting!